everyone, Greg here. Well, today it is mega cheesy potato bake day. I have picked up a whole bunch of different cheeses. Mostly I got them on special. So today I thought I'd make a really cheesy, hammy potato bake. They're really easy to make. Check out the ingredients I'm using. Look at all the cheese I've got here. I've just picked up some cheese. I don't even know what it is. It's a baking blend. It was on special though. I've also got some Camembert here. Picked that up on special for $1. You beauty. I've got some Brie here. This was 89 cents. Can you believe it? I've got some Parmesan. I've got Cheddar. I've got butter. I got ham, also on special. Thank you very much. I got some potatoes, onion and eggs. And that's all you need. Unless you want to add something else, go for it. First of all, we need to preheat the oven. So, 180 degrees Celsius. Now that's about 355 Fahrenheit, just in case you still use that. Okay, so while that's heating up, there's just a few things we need to cut. So, actually first, I'll nuke a nice big slab of butter. About 50 seconds. While that's nuking, let's start cutting some things up. So, I've got the onion here. I want that in nice thin slices. Watch your fingers though. Last thing you need is a trip to the hospital from a potato bake injury. So just cut those into rings. Wonderful. That's done. Also need some potatoes. We need to cut this into like thinnish sort of slices. No, when I'm saying thinnish, I'm talking about, what's that, about half a centimetre? But thinner, it doesn't matter. Not too thick though, because they won't cook. So you want them pretty thin. I'm using 5 potatoes here. Whew. All right, that's done. Something I actually forgot to mention is we also need some cream. Nearly forgot that. Very important. Unless you don't want to use it, then you don't have to. But this butter should be melted by now. It'll still be a bit warm, but I'll crack some cream in. Just to cool that down a bit, because I'm going to also crack some eggs in. I don't want them to cook in that butter. I'll crack some pepper into that too. Everything goes with pepper, right? Okay, well, that's that done. Look, I've also got all this cheese to do. Goodness me. Some people like this cheese and others don't, because they don't want to eat the moldy outside bit. But you know what? This moldy outside bit, it's the best bit. I'll cut this into nice slithers. I'm going to do the same with the Brie. What's the difference between Brie and Camembert? Well, I got no idea. Looks pretty much the same to me. Some cheddar cheese. I've already grated some over here. Alright, so time to grab your baking tray. This is one that was handed down to me from my grandma. Thanks, Grandma. I'm still using it and it's still awesome. Okay, so we'll start off just with a layer of potatoes on the bottom. I'll add some onions. Now I've got some ham here. Sprinkle that on. Bits of egg. Maybe a few slices of cheese. Some more cheese here. Bit more cheese, because it is the ultimate cheese dish, this one. Nice bit of Parmesan. Got some more cheese here. Better add some more, hey, because it looks dangerously low in cheese. Add some cream. And we start again. Some more potatoes. Some egg. Ham. Some more cheese. Is this too much cheese? I don't think it is. So I better add some more. Love my cheese. But add some more of this one too, just in case. That's not enough. I'll add some cream. Another layer. Cheese, I'll finish this cheese off. Hopefully this will melt nicely down in between and down the sides. Onion. Some cheese. Did I mention this is cheesy? Bit more ham. Bit of cream. Ooh, I nearly forgot the egg mix. I might use the rest of that up actually. And I'll put my last layer of potatoes on top. Finish it off with some more cheese. Got some more cheese here. I might just add that because hey, you can never have enough cheese, right? Just going to finish it off with some cheese. Better add some cream. Use that up. I'm just going to finish it off with some leftover ham here. Might as well use it all up, eh? Have a look at that. Oh man, that looks so good. Alright, so now this just has to go into an oven, preheated, yep. And we're going to cook that for about 1 hour, probably for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I'll come back after an hour. I'll turn the oven off actually and just let it sit there for another 10 minutes. So I'll put the timer on. About halfway I'll probably spin it as well. So let's come back when it's finished and see how good this looks. I can't wait. Alrighty, well the time is up. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh mama. Wow. Have a look at that. It's like shrunk down a bit. Oh wow. That looks awesome. So I left that in there for 1 hour, turned the heat off, then let it sit for another 10 minutes in there. So that's been 1 hour and 10. I'll give it another 10 minutes to settle down and we'll dive on in for the old ultimate cheesy ham and cheesy breezy camemberty parmesan and cheddary potato bake taste test. Alright, well how about we cut some up and we'll see how tender it is and scoop some up too. Well, that knife is going through nice and easy. Okay. Oh, yes. Baby. Alrighty, well, here we go. The ultimate cheesy potato bake. 60,000 calories a serve. At least I hope so. Alright. Let's give it a go. Yummo. Oh boy, I just got a squirt of Brie there. Wow. On the camembert. Yeah, baby. Potatoes cooked perfectly. The onions are caramelized. The cheese is melted. The ham's tasty. What more do you want? If you're not afraid of cheese and calories, then this is a dish for you. Well, there you go, the ultimate ham and cheesy potato bake. Hope you enjoyed that. If you do make it, I'd love to know what you thought about yours. Remember, show this video some thumb and love, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time right here on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made the ultimate cheesy potato bake with ham, camembert, brie, Parmesan, cheddar, who knows what else it was, but it was delicious. So, oh yeah.